The moon, our constant companion in the night sky. It's been there for billions of years, influencing life on Earth in ways we often take for granted. But what if one day it simply disappeared? No explosion, no warning, just gone. At first it might not seem like a big deal. After all, it's just a rock floating in space, right? But the truth is, the consequences would be catastrophic. The first thing we'd notice, darkness. A night sky without the moon would feel unnervingly empty. The soft silver glow that has guided travelers, inspired poets, and shaped myths for centuries, gone, and with it a lot more than just a pretty view. For one, our nights would become far darker than we're used to. The moon reflects sunlight and brightens the night sky. Without it, only artificial lights and the distant glow of the stars would remain. This would make nights more dangerous for both humans and wildlife. But darkness is just the beginning of our problems. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for our ocean tides. It keeps the waves flowing in a steady, predictable rhythm. Without the moon, high tides would shrink to nearly half their usual size, while low tides would barely move at all. Coastal ecosystems, which depend on these tidal movements, would be thrown into disarray. Many marine species, like crabs, turtles, and fish, rely on the tides for breeding and migration. Without them, entire food chains could collapse, but that's not all. Without the moon's pull, powerful ocean currents like the Gulf Stream would slow down, disrupting global weather patterns. And that brings us to our next problem. One of the moon's most important jobs is stabilizing Earth's rotation. Right now, our planet tilts at a steady 23.5 degrees. This tilt gives us predictable seasons, from summer heat waves to winter snowstorms. Without the moon, Earth's tilt would become unstable, wobbling chaotically over time. One year, the Arctic might experience tropical temperatures, and the next, an ice age could take over Europe. Unstable seasons would make agriculture almost impossible. Farmers wouldn't know when to plant or harvest crops, leading to worldwide food shortages. And with unpredictable weather, natural disasters would become far more frequent. Climate chaos alone would be devastating, but we're not done yet. Nature has evolved alongside the moon. Many animals, especially nocturnal creatures, use its light to hunt, navigate, and survive. Birds and sea creatures rely on the moon's gravitational cycles to migrate. Without it, many species would struggle to find their way, leading to mass extinctions. And what about humans? For centuries, we have been guided by the moon. Farmers used its cycles to predict planting seasons. Sailors relied on its tides for navigation, and entire calendars were based on its phases. Without it, we'd lose a part of our cultural history and a part of our identity. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing nothing but stars, no full moon, no crescent, no lunar eclipses, just an empty void where our closest celestial neighbor used to be. The moon has inspired legends, guided lovers, and fueled our imaginations for millennia. Without it, we'd lose more than just tides and stability. We'd lose a symbol of wonder itself. Fortunately, this is just a thought experiment. The moon isn't going anywhere, at least not for a few billion years. But it serves as a reminder of how fragile and interconnected our world truly is. The next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the moon. Because without it, Earth would be a very different place.